That's crazy. That's crazy. You know what? That is crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
So the other day, since I'm considered an old head, I was on Facebook and then a Facebook memory popped up. It was like a story like, oh, your last year's story or whatever. Dog, how come none of y'all told me my gap was that big? Bro, my gap? Dog. I don't even look the same. Like, look at this. Bro, that doesn't even look like me, dog. That's crazy. That's crazy. Y'all supposed to be my friends. That's crazy, bro. Like, this is a toxic relationship we in. And before we talk about the title of this video, let me address something. I have received a package from Legends Media. If you don't know who Legends Media is,
Why?
the homie Dustin Williams, like, this is the only big YouTube dude that reached out to me and was like, yo, I enjoy your content, let's get a collab going. The only one, bro. I didn't even think Dustin knew who the hell I was, but the homie be watching the videos. So for that, Dustin, I appreciate you, playboy. Thank you, big dog. I guess the theme of this video is like, that's crazy. Because like, from the title to y'all allowing me to be on camera with a gap that looked like Michael Strahan, yeah, that's crazy.
Y'all ain't my friends.
But I still love y'all anyway. God damn. I received this package from Dustin Williams, man. He's like, yo, what's your address? I was like, oh, I'm about to get hooked up with some merch. So, you know, hey, bro, I ain't never blocking my blessings. I send that address quick. I figured I'd come on camera and give a little unboxing to what we have from Dustin, man. This is dope, man. Dustin is one of those dudes that, like, I really admire. Like, I love his come-up story, you know what I mean? Dustin Williams' success story is amazing, bro. Like, the homie came from a Honda B, that, bro, and now he tracks his spoon Honda S2000. Like, dog, Dustin the GOAT, bro. Like, if we just being honest right now, my man's bought the Tokyo Drift Evo, dog. GOAT, dog. For some strange reason, if you don't know who Dustin Williams is, check him out, bro. Link down. Yup. Hit the like button. One of you. I can't say that on camera, huh? Oh.
Goodbye.
Really is the only YouTuber that's like a big automotive YouTuber that ever reached out to me and was like, yo, bro, I love what you're doing, man. I'm gonna send you something. Like that, to me, that's what I want to do to like creators when I make it up there. You know what I mean? Like, I want to be able to like look out for the underdogs. You feel me? I feel like I'm like the Big Sean of this shit, though, to be honest with you. Oh, I see some merch. All right, we got some shirts like a mofo. Dud. Oh, my man hooked it up. We got that. Oh, we got the Circuit Team livery. Oh, that's on his S2000. Oh, let's go. My boy Dustin, though. Woo! Yeah. And the hoodie. Oh, my dude. Jet tag, air freshener, and the Lean Customs pin. Bruh. Dog. My dog D-Dub hooked it up. My man sent me a hoodie, an air freshener, a Lean Customs pin, my first one ever. Jet tag, a hoodie, some shirts. Dog, Dustin, I appreciate you. When I get my merch game going crazy, I got you. That's wild. When I do go back to California, be prepared to look out for a collab from me and Dustin. We've been talking about this for a minute now, so whenever I'm out there, hopefully I have the Integra. We can do like a track there or something like that. I think that'd be pretty cool. Machismo, Belinda. Okay, so before I address why I have to sell the RSX, let's just address the big ass elephant that's in the room. How can you sell a car that was given to you as a gift? It was free. How can you sell a free car gift thing? First, to all the people that do know the backstory, if you don't, I'm gonna include you into some little inside stuff.
I earned it.
Okay? It was earned. It wasn't given to me. I earned it. I know that's gonna piss some of y'all off, like, huh? You can't earn it. Yes, I can. Thanks to y'all, actually. The reason why I got the RSX was because of y'all. It was earned and as a way of like a token of appreciation for what I was able to do with Hybrid in such a short span of time that I've been partnered up with them. Let's also think about this. Why would Zosh make a video saying that I have to sell the RSX, I have to get rid of the RSX? Why would he make a video knowing that the people from Hybrid is gonna see this? Let's just ask ourselves this and just think about it. Hold on. Did you figure it out yet? Let's just talk more about this inside the RSX, driving to probably the gas station since I need gas. Sounds about right. I'm gonna miss this car. Maybe I don't have to. Maybe. I don't know. Talk about overexposed. Jesus, look at that, boy. You like I'm driving in heaven right now, huh? But let's get into the nitty-gritty of this video without wasting y'all's time of like why I need to get rid of the RSX. You guys are probably thinking like, yo, how can you get rid of a free car? Like this, that, and the third. But it wasn't free. It really wasn't free. It was a thing that it was a gift that I actually earned, but it wasn't even a gift. It was more of like a business thing. I'm fully transparent with y'all, but there's some things that like I know I should not talk about because it's business. But I did what I needed to do with this car. You know, the only thing I didn't do to this car was boost it and slap on a carbon fiber bonnet. That's literally it. That's the only two things that I have not done with this car. But all in all, like, this is the perfect daily for me, man. Like, it's an RSX, it's an Integra, and you know, my race car, gotta use those. My main pride and joy is an Integra, so it's cool to have two Integras. You know what I mean? Like to say like, oh, one's a daily and one's another daily, but it's also my street car slash race car type beat. You know what I mean? The reason why I can't keep this car is because I need a truck, man, and I don't have the funds to, you know, buy a truck and still keep this car. And talking with David from Hybrid, he's like, yeah, bro, like, sell that shit. Like, he was telling me to sell the car back in November of last year. He was like, bro, sell it. I was like, nah, I love the RSX way too much. He was like, nah, sell that shit. So now, and I was like, yo, I think I should sell it and then get like a truck. And he's like, bro, that's the best idea you can do. It's the best thing you can do. And I know you're probably thinking, Zosh, nah, don't sell the car. Just think of other ways to make bread. I have, and it still would not equate to me dropping like $15,000 to $25,000 on a car. So if I can liquidate an asset that I have to help fund a new vehicle that's going to be useful for, you know, my career moving forward, no brainer. Wouldn't you do the same? I wish I was in a position in my life where I can just go buy a truck or take out a loan to go buy a truck and still keep the RSX, because this has a lot of value to me, man. Like, it was like Hybrid taking a chance on me to, like, you know, help the company in a way where it's like, I have a car that I always wanted, I can build it however I want to, and then like they'll receive promotion by it because like I'm buying parts and putting parts on it with the Hybrid banner or Hybrid shift cables or whatever Hybrid releases for the DC5 I can throw on the car. So it was like a beneficiary partnership, and that's what I want with Hybrid. Like, the goal with Hybrid is to like have an equal partnership where like I promote the company, the brand in a way where like my audience, y'all, will appreciate it and like know it, like I'm not being biased because I work with this company. Like, oh, if the part is ass, it's ass. But luckily for me, I work with companies that don't make ass products, that caters to their people in a way of customer service, and it works. It genuinely works. And that's, you know, my partnership with Hybrid. So it's just cool to like have them on board like, hey man, we want to give you this car, and not getting into my contract terms with this car. We want you to do this for us, and then the car's yours. I completed what I needed to do, and the car was mine. So in a way, it was a gift because they took a chance on me. And that's what I always appreciate about them. They took a chance on me, dog. And that to me means everything. Like, you giving me that chance, seeing that I can actually benefit you guys in a way where like it's hella beneficial, let's do it. No brainer. But let's get this gas and then we'll talk more about, you know, the stuff, bro, the stuff. While I was pumping gas, I was thinking like, bro, there's gonna be so many people in the comments like, I don't understand how you can get away with free. Like, no matter what I say, they're gonna be like, man, you bro, like, you don't deserve shit. Like, yo, it's not my fault. You lack brain cells, bro. Don't be mad at me, dog. Shit. And I'm not the reason, dog. I'm not. Like, Hybrid could literally make a post and be like, we want Zosh to sell the DC5 and then I go like, all right, I'm gonna sell these 5. People gonna be like, how can you do that? Like, it ain't my fault, son. I love y'all like y'all like kinfolk to me, bruh. Don't be mad at me, dog. I am doing master's orders, okay? They give me foods, they give me sleeps. They're gonna be like, bro, why you put that in the video? Now, price point of the RSX, I have no price in mind. If you would like to throw me an offer that you think would be nice, cool. I'm not really looking forward to selling this car because I love it a lot. Like, I don't want to get rid of this car. But if somebody throw me an offer I can't refuse, hey man, hey, closer to my truck dreams, bro. And I'm looking at getting a diesel truck too. Like, diesel's good on gas. Yeah, I barely fill up the little cars that I do have gas-wise, but hey, bro, diesel might, you know, work out in my favor. You feel me? So I can see how this video might be like, man, you just don't understand. Like, you got a free car. I can never give a free car. I find ways, bro. I'm not in the position in life yet to be able to afford the luxuries like what you see on the internet from all these other YouTube creators. Like, I don't have those luxuries, bro. Like, I just don't. Like, I'm not there yet. I'm working my way there. Trust me. That's why, like, when people support the merch, it really helps a lot because there's things that, like, I'd have to sell off camera that you guys don't know about. But it's because, like, I'm trying to, you know, make a dream come true. So I have to, like, sell off things that I want for things that I need. You know what I mean? It's just, it's how the game goes. I love how I can be that person to, like, keep you guys up to game. I'm like, what's going on? Like, I know, like, you see all the other big YouTubers buying, like, R34s and, like, you know, Evos and this and that. It's because, like, they have capital, they have credit, their merch is selling like crazy, their views are out there. I don't have none of that shit. So it's like, the fact that I made it this far, it's a blessing. But, like, I'm not there yet, bro. Like, I will be. And, like, I know that, like, I might have to sell this car in order to, you know, to push me further into my career. Some things, you have to make sacrifices, bro. And I want y'all to learn from me when it comes to that. Like, you have to make sacrifices, dog. In order to get the things you need instead of the things you want, you have to make sacrifices. Quote me on that, because that shit sounds fresh. And, yeah, bro, like, that's pretty much it, man. Like, and I know I'm gonna get those comments, man. And I'm such a people pleaser. Like, it's gonna bother me. And I know that me saying that's gonna bother me is gonna make people be like, oh, you're not grateful. You don't deserve it. Hey, bro, go suck yourself. And ladies and gentlemen out there of the world of the universe, that is rap. That's the end of this video. So, you know,
That's what's up.
all right. So I bought this deodorant the other. So I bought this deodorant last night, dog, bro. I'm usually a Degree fanboy when it comes to deodorant, but this Dove, dog, I smell like I have a job. That shit smells delicious. A good paying job. You hear that noise? I installed though. Okay, that you probably seen that on Twitter. Okay. So yeah, that's the video. That's the reason behind why I don't want to, but have to sell the RSX. I just wish there was a way where y'all bought merch. But, you know, it's okay. I love y'all in regardless. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, find it in the kindness of your heart to leave a like on the video. But if you did not enjoy this video, leave a dislike on the video. All in all, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all regardless. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I'm gonna go day drinking at Tropical Smoothie. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.